Hello friends, welcome to another video of Abacus Academy. This video is about a recruitment notification for civil engineering, mechanical engineering and electrical engineering graduates, diploma holders as well as ITA holders. The Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited has issued a open market recruitment notification for the post of junior manager, executive and junior executive post in civil engineering, mechanical engineering and electrical engineering disciplines. DFCCIL is a public sector undertaken company under the Ministry of Railways in Government of India. So it has issued a large number of recruitment posts for various posts. The mode of application is online. The opening date for online registration is on 24th for April 2021. The online registration has already begun. The last date for applying is on 23rd May 2021 and exams are expected to be happening in June 21. The tentative date for computer based test is in June 2021. In the civil engineering discipline, the first post is the junior manager in civil. There are 31 number of vacancies and the qualification for junior manager in civil is bachelor's degree, BTech degree in civil engineering from a recognized institute with 60% of marks. So all civil engineering graduates can comfortably apply for this post. The another post related in civil engineering field is executive in civil. Diploma holders in civil engineering with not less than 60% marks can apply for this post, and there is a vacancy of 73 numbers. In mechanical engineering division, junior manager in mechanical, bachelor's degree, those who have bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering or electrical, mechatronics engineering, industrial engineering, production engineering, automobile, manufacturing engineering, instrumentation and control engineering, all these graduates can apply for this junior manager vacancy in mechanical with those who have 60% of marks. The number of vacancies is 3. The other post in mechanical is executive for a number of vacancy of 3. Diploma holders in mechanical, electrical or electronics or all the above said branches, those who have diploma in these branches can apply for this post. Another post related to mechanical division is junior executive. This is for ITA holders, those who have matriculation with not less than 60% marks and 2-year ITA course, a government approved ITA course or in the trade of fitter, electrician or motor mechanic with 60% of marks. They can apply for this post for a vacancy of 14 number. In the electrical engineering division, the first vacancy is for executive in electrical. Total number of vacancies is 42. Those who have diploma in electrical or other electrical related subjects such as electronics, power supply, instrumentation and control, industrial electronics, electronic instrumentation, applied electronics, digital electronics, power electronics, etc. can apply for this post. Executive in signal and telecommunication. Those who have diploma in electrical or electronics, microprocessor, TV engineering, and there are a lot of divisions given. Those who have 60% marks in diploma in all these subjects can apply for the post, and there is a lot of number of vacancies of 87 numbers. Electrical engineering division also requires junior executive in electrical with a large number of vacancy of 135 number of vacancies. The junior executive post is for ITA holders. So those who have matriculation and ITA, a government approved ITA course in electrical, electrician, wireman or electronics from a recognized institute with 60% marks can apply for this post. Other vacancy is junior executive in signal and telecommunication. There is a vacancy of 147 number, and those who have matriculation and ITA course in electronics or communication, information technology, other electronic related ITA courses, those who have completed these courses and have 60% marks can apply for this post. And DFCCIL also requires general graduates for their vacancy. In the junior manager for operations and business development, the qualification is 2-year MBA program or PGDBA or PGDBM or PGDM in marketing or business operation or customer relation or finance with 60% marks. Other vacancy is executive. Any graduate can apply for this post. So all graduate holders can apply for this post, and there is a large number of vacancy of 237. Next post is junior executive. Junior executive post, there is a total number of vacancy of 225, and those who have matriculation and a 2-year duration course, ITI duration course from any government approved institute with 60% marks, or a graduate in any discipline. So graduates in any discipline can also apply for this junior executive post. So the age limit for junior manager post is 27. Those who are within the age group of 18 to 27 can apply for this post. Application fee is rupees 1000. For executive post, the age limit is between 18 to 30 and application fee is rupees 900. For junior executive, the age limit is 18 to 30 and application fee is rupees 700. No examination fee is required for SC, ST, PWBD and ex-servicemen candidates. For more information, you can visit DFCCI homepage. The recruitment notification and the related documents are provided there. Remember, the last date for applying is 23rd May 2021. So don't forget to apply those who are eligible. And thank you. For more notifications, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.